In the previous lesson, we learned about straight strokes. Now we will study curved strokes, arc or circular lines. Imagine a circle divided into four equal parts. The upper portion represents the stroke M. It is a single light stroke. Endpoints must align perfectly. Curve should be limited to 1/4 of the circle. N is a light stroke, while NG is a dark stroke. They produce the sound N and NG as in ink. The curve should be small and both ends should meet equally. S is light stroke drawn from the right hand side. Z is dark stroke. Both are Fanian strokes differing only in thickness. TH, it, it is light, while DH, the is dark. These are drawn on the left hand side of the circle. L is drawn upward from bottom to top, covering 1/4 of a circle. It is always a light stroke. Stroke F is light and stroke V is dark. Both are downward strokes starting from midline to baseline. There are two R strokes. Upward are at 30-degree angle already studied, and downward are light drawn downward. SH is a light stroke. ZH is a dark stroke. Example television. Sound television. They share the same curve but different in thickness. Consonants H small clockwise circle at 30-degree angle. W starts with a hook plus straight stroke must remain straight. Y opposite of W also at 30-degree angle. All three are light strokes. All these three are light strokes. All consonant strokes are now completed. Practice again and again. In the next video, we will learn to form words by joining consonants. With this, all the consonant strokes are complete. अगले वीडियो में वर्ड फॉर्मेशन देखेंगे जॉइनिंग कॉन्सोनेंट्स. प्रैक्टिस देम रिपीटेडली फॉर परफेक्शन. अब हम स्टेप को रिवाइज करेंगे. In the previous lesson, we studied straight strokes. Now we will learn about the curved strokes. Stroke M divide a circle into four equal parts. The upper 1/4 portion represents stroke M. M is a light stroke. Both endpoints must be at the same level. The curve should cover only 1/4 of the circle. Stroke N and NG, N light stroke, NG dark stroke. Sound N and NG as ink. Keep the curve small. Both endpoints must meet at the same level. Stroke S and Z as light stroke, right hand side Z dark stroke. Both have the same shape, only thickness is different. Stroke CH the and DH the. CH is light stroke, DH the dark stroke. Both are drawn from the left hand side. Stroke L upward, the down upward from bottom to top. Down upward from bottom to top. Covers 1/4 of the circle. Always a light stroke. Stroke F and V downward. F light stroke, V dark stroke. Both are drawn downwards from midline to baseline. Stroke R, two types of R. Upward R at 30-degree angle already studied. Downward are light stroke. Stroke SH and ZH. SH light stroke, ZH dark stroke as in television. Sound. Both have the same curve, only thickness is different. Consonants HWY. H small clockwise circle at 30-degree angle. W hook plus straight line. Y opposite of W at 30-degree angle. All three are light strokes. All consonant strokes are completed. Practice them repeatedly. In the next lesson, we learn word formation by joining consonants.